a good girl?
Well, tonight she hasn't been so good. She promised she'll be better, though.
You've got to be good, especially tonight, because I'm coming back later on with all the toys for you, okay? Okay, now tell Santa Claus, what do you want for Christmas? Tell Santa Claus, what do you want for Christmas? A glowworm, a bike, a baby doll, and some skates. Anything else? Okay, you promise to be good for your mom and your daddy, huh? Are you going to school yet? And who is your teacher? Do you listen to your teacher? Well, okay, then you be a good little girl. Let's see, Santa Claus might have something. All right. Let's take way down up in here. I might have something to give you, right? Now. Oh, yes!